first. At school, let's talk, listen and say, "Hi Scott, how are you?" "I'm okay, thanks. How about you?" "Pretty good." "Goodbye, Scott. See you later." Let's learn the words. A picture, a window, a pencil sharpener, a workbook, a paper clip, a clock, a door, a calendar. In this picture, we use a with all the words because all the words are singular noun. So always use a with singular noun. B. Ask and answer. Number first. What's this? It's a picture. Number 2. What's this? It's a workbook. Number 3. What's this? It's a paper clip. Number 4. What's this? It's a pencil sharpener. Number 5. What's that? It's a window. Number 6. What's that? It's a clock. Number 7. What's that? It's a calendar. Number 8. What's that? It's a door. Let's learn more words. In this picture, different words are mentioned, but all the words are plural. That's why we didn't use a with these words because a only used with singular words. Like the previous picture, we use a with the words, but in this picture, we did not use a because we never use a with plural words. Number first, paper clips. Number 2, pictures. Number 3, clocks. Number 4, workbooks. Number 5, calendars. Number 6, pencil sharpeners. Number 7, windows. Number 8, door. I am repeating the use of this and that, but with some addition, like these and those. Remember, when the object is near and singular, then we will use this. And when the object is near and plural, then we will use these. And that used for when the object is far and singular, then we will use that. And when the object is far and plural, then we will use those. Ask and answer. Number 1. What are these? They are paper clips. Number 2. What are these? They are calendars. Number 3. What are these? They are workbooks. Number 4. What are these? They are pencil sharpener. So in this picture, I use these because all the things are plural and near. Number 5. What are those? They are windows. Number 6. What are those? They are pictures. And this picture I use those because the things are far and plural. Listen, point, and say mop, map, mug, notebook, nine, nut. What's that? What do you see? There is a man with a mop. What are those? What do you see? There are names on the map. What's this? What do you see? There is a nut on my notebook. What are these? What do you see? There are nine names on mugs. Unit 2. My things. Let's talk. Listen and say. Whose bag is that? I don't know. Is it Scott's bag? No, it's not his bag. Is it Jenny's bag? Yes, it is her bag. Repeat after me. Whose bag is that? I don't know. Is it Scott's bag? No, it is not his bag. Is it Jenny's bag? Yes, it's her bag. Let's learn the words. Number first, a key. Number 2, a candy bar. Number 3, a comic book. Number 4, a comb. Number 5, a coin. Number 6, a brush. Number 7, a tissue. Number 8, a watch. Ask and answer. What do you have? Number first, I have a key. Number 2, what do you have? I have a tissue. Number 3, what do you have? I have a brush. Number 4, what do you have? I have a watch. Number 5, what do you have? I have a candy bar. Number 6, what do you have? I have a comb. Number 7, what do you have? I have a comic book. Let's learn the words. Number first, a camera. Number 2, a keychain. Number 3, a music player. Number 4, a calculator. Number 5, a train pass. Number 6, an umbrella. Number 7, a lunch box. Number 8, a wallet. Ask and answer. Number first, what does he have? He has a wallet. Number 2, what does she have? She has a keychain. Number 3, what does he have? He has a train pass. Number 4, what does she have? She has a camera. Number 5, what does he have? He has an umbrella. Number 6, what does she have? She has a music player. Number 7, what does he have? He has a calculator. Number 8, what does she have? She has a lunchbox. Ask your partner. Number first, does she have a bag? Yes, she does. Does she have a camera? No, she does not. Number 2. Does she have an umbrella? Yes, she does. Number 3. Does she have a music player? Yes, she does. Number 4. Does she have a calculator? Yes, she does. Number 5. Does he have a book? Yes, he does. Number 6. Does he have a camera? Yes, he does. Number 7. Does he have a keychain? Yes, he does. Number 8. Does he have a lunchbox? Yes, he does. Listen and read along. This is a man. He has a vest. He feels fine. What's that? It's a van with a fan. What's in the van? There is one violin. Look, there are 5 violins and 5 vests.